The Volvo 122S, produced between 1956 and 1970, is a symbol of Swedish engineering excellence. With its elegant lines, reliable performance, and advanced safety features for its time, the 122S has earned a special place in automotive history. In this video, we showcase a meticulously restored and upgraded Volvo 122S that combines classic charm with modern performance. Engine and performance. Under the hood, the original 2-liter 4-cylinder engine has been replaced with a powerful Chevy 383 V8. This engine, equipped with high-compression pistons, upgraded connecting rods, a hot rod camshaft, roller rockers, and a Holley 650 double-pumper carburetor, produces an impressive 350 horsepower. Exterior. Volvo 122S stands out with its flawless bodywork and custom blue paint, reminiscent of Polestar's Rebel Blue. The attention to detail is evident in every inch of the car, from the perfectly aligned panels to the pristine chrome accents. The car sits on 20-inch Lenso wheels wrapped in high-performance tires, giving it a menacing stance and improved handling. Braking and suspension. To handle the increased power, upgraded the braking system with proper discs and calipers up front, while retaining drums at the rear. The custom suspension setup ensures that the 122S hugs the road and rides at the perfect height, providing a smooth and controlled driving experience. Step inside, and you'll be greeted by a completely redone interior that rivals many modern cars. The custom door cards, race seats with 4-point harnesses, and a half-cage in red add a striking contrast to the blue exterior. The dashboard now houses an array of DeFi electronic gauges, giving Jimmy all the vital information he needs at a glance. The carpeting is immaculate, and every detail has been meticulously crafted to perfection.